Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. I guess a few weeks ago, about a month or so ago, I was showing about adding extra rivets to jeans to basically make them into kind of like more of a work jean where you can put those button suspenders on. I'll put the link for that video below. But I ran across a unique problem is where you have you're flying your zipper, you have that rivet there, but that's kind of like permanent, but you can pop that off if you had to. And the reason you probably would is I found these online as well. They are basically an adjustable button where you're basically pulling a backing off, and then you have like two pieces. So if you had a position where maybe you didn't necessarily want to pull that off, but if you wanted to add a different button, let's say you lost a couple pounds and you had to reposition where you're buttoning that into. You could easily do it with this. Just push it through as easy as I showed you, and then now you have a that'd be the original position of the button, and then now you would have the other position of the button. So let's say you lost a couple pounds. You don't want to get rid of your jeans just yet because you just put all your button rivets on it, or you just wanted to use something for like decoration. So I mean, they easily come back off, and then you can like move it. And let's say you wanted to put more buttons in the back to make it more symmetrical, you can easily just put another little pop-in button there, and then now you got more of a, I guess, a fashion statement if you want to call it that. And this kit was, I don't know, it was like about $8 or something like that. So you got 2 copper rivets, buttons in there. It came with 2 silver ones. It came with 2 plain silver ones. And then it came with, I guess these are kind of like a white color, but I thought these were pretty cool as well. But anyway, so if you want to add some more buttons to your jeans, decorations, let's say you wanted to put them on like an outside of a pocket to accent something, you could do that. You want to put one there, for example, you could just pop this out, make a little fashion statement. So, boom, you got a new button there for like whatever you wanted to do. So just kind of like fashion everything up on there. But anyway, I thought they were pretty neat, easily to put back in and reuse them wherever you needed. And then that's the kit, and they basically all came in this little plastic thing. And I'll put a link so you can find them pretty easy. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Just another button rivet that you can add to your jeans. Be safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribing.